Hello, my friend. Welcome to Dave Finance. If you've been struggling financially, I want to say big congratulations to you because you are at the right place at the right time. This finance was birthed from the numerous struggles people are going through financially in the world today.
The Resolution Foundation predicts that by next year, more than a fifth of the population will be living in absolute poverty. Real household disposable incomes are due to fall by 10% this year and next, the sharpest decline in living standards in more than a century. Food banks are now handing out one emergency parcel of provisions every 13 seconds. As food prices and energy prices soar, low wages and pitiful benefits mean that the poorest households will no longer face a choice between eating or heating their homes this coming winter, but rather will be able to do either adequately. Meanwhile, millions more people are being pushed into hardship and debt. This is a crisis that is increasingly intolerable for the mass of the working class and cannot fail to drive resistance in the coming period. The End Fuel Poverty Coalition estimates this would have immediately tipped 9 million more households into poverty. The Resolution Foundation's September report, In at the Deep End, projects that the number of people in Britain living in absolute poverty will rise from 11 million in 21-22 to 14 million in 22-23.
These people are struggling financially not because they want to struggle. Nobody wants to struggle. No, everyone have a bright dream. Everybody has plans for their future. But majority of people in the world today are struggling financially because they lack the right information on how to make money and manage their finances. Here we understand that for you to make money, you have to provide values because money is just like a piece of paper that is exchanged for the values you provide to people. So for you to make money, you have to look out for people's problem, the problem people are facing, and provide values, provide solutions in solving these problems for them. And the money will keep coming into you because money is exchanged for value, like I always say. Now, this value production can be in your own personal business or investment, or it can also be at your place of work, whereby you provide more values at your place of work, and then you can bargain for a higher salary and you make more money. So here on this channel, we're going to be teaching you numerous ways on how to make money, ranging from real estate investment in buying of properties and leasing it out.
The reason I like real estate is because it's hard for real estate to go obsolete. 100 years from now, people will still be using real estate. 100 years from now, the iPhone might be obsolete. You know what I mean? So
it's a timeless asset.
Yeah, it's fundamental. So this book is really about fundamentals: crashes, debt, and taxes. That's why I call it the graduate school for Rich Dad Poor Dad. So you should read Rich Dad Poor Dad first. This is graduate school. All it is, designed to do is stir your brain up.
Right.
Other than your financial planner telling you to invest for the long term, in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. That's good for the middle class, but I want it to be rich.
We're also going to be teaching you how to make money from the cryptocurrency investments.
Crypto in black and white. How do cryptocurrencies get their value? Since 2008, over 5,000 new cryptocurrencies have been created, giving us a digital token market in late 2020 worth around $500 billion.
We'll also be teaching you how to make money from multi-level marketing.
A 5-year plan. We want to end up being the biggest in the industry. We are going to be the biggest in the industry. But I had a lot of other opportunities to do this because I believe in network marketing. I'm a big fan of network marketing.
Aside multi-level marketing, we're also going to be teaching you how to make money through affiliate marketing and selling other people's products. Also, we're going to be teaching you the process of freelancing to make more money even from the comfort of your home.
I started freelancing from March 2022. I earned my first $1,000 in less than 4 months.
Now, these are the few ways I can mention right now, but mind you, there are numerous ways that we're going to be posting content on this channel on how to make money. But pay close attention to this. Anybody at all can make money. Anybody at all can make money. But what differentiates the poor from the rich and what differentiates the rich from the poor is the ability to manage their finances. Because once you get this money, what then happens? If you don't manage it properly, it's going to vanish into the thin air. And that's the main differences between the poor and the rich. Why the rich masters the art of management and they keep growing richer, the poor lacks money management skills. Once the money comes in, it is going out through another way, and then the cycle continues for them, the poverty continues, the struggles continues for them. So here at Dale Finance, we are not only going to be teaching you how to make money, but we're also going to hold you by the hands and teach you how to manage your money properly to attain financial freedom within the shortest period. So my friend, if you're ready to change your financial situation right now, kindly hit the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification buttons to get fresh notifications of new videos as they are uploaded on this channel on how to make money and manage your financials. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace.